National Bureau of Investigation Director Melvin Matibag says that if command responsibility is the basis, the first person who should be suspended is Senate President Alan Peter Cayetano. In a statement on Tuesday, May 19, Matibag responds to Cayetano's earlier call for the Office of the Ombudsman to suspend him.
Una-una po, hindi naman ako dyan na nagpaputok ng baril. Siguro yung sinasabi because I'm the head of the NBI, kaya dapat suspendin ako dahil ang responsibility ko yung mga tao. Tama po ba? Eh kung ganun po yung magiging pasena, unang-unang suspendin dapat si Senator Alan Peter Cayetano. Then kung ang responsibility niya si Sergeant at Arms,
The Ombudsman earlier served Senate Sergeant-at-Arms Mau Aplaska a 6-month preventive suspension order after he admitted firing the first warning shot that led to an exchange of gunfire with the NBI agents last week. Matibag says he is willing to face any investigation about the incident and serve any penalty should there be one.